Namaste all, I am Prashant Kumar, yoga instructor. In this video, let us know some of the negative impacts which will be happening to our eyes by watching digital screens for prolonged period of time. Digital screens in a sense, it may be mobile, laptops, televisions, tablets and many more. Before jumping into concept, let us know the basic structure and function of the digital screens. You may come across the huge display boards which will be installed in many events. If you look closer into it, a small square shaped lights will be arranged in a series. In order to display a particular screen, certain lights will goes on and certain lights will gets off, and the colors of the lights will also keeps on varying. And throughout the functioning period of that display board, the intensity of the light which is emitting from that board will keeps on varying. In order to notice this practically, you can make someone to sit in the dark room and switch on the TV. You just watch the face of the person who is sitting in the dark room. The intensity of the light which will be varying, you can easily notice when the person sitting in the dark room and watching the display board. And more or less all the display screen, all the digital screens will work in the same manner. Now let's come to our eyes. There's a part in our eyes which is called as iris, and the function of our iris is to regulate the amount of light which is entering to our eye. When there is bright light, iris will start closing up the pupil so that lets in less amount of light. When there is low light, iris will opens up the pupil so that it allows more light to let in. You can, if you want to observe it practically, hold a mirror in left hand and switch on the torch in right hand. Open your eyes wider and focus at the circular part which is at the center of the eyeball. You just hold it in this way and bring your light closer to the eyes. Once the light coming closer, that circular part will start contracting. Once the light moves away, the circular part will start opening up. Throughout that time when you watch the digital screens, that due to that fluctuations, this eye movement will be happening frequently. And this eye movement happening frequently, that is not natural, and once this happens frequently, that leads to too much of stress to the eyes. Whichever part in our body which is works in stress for longer period of time, eventually the efficiency of that part will also start reducing. And this fluctuations of light is very unnatural to our eyes. And one more unnatural thing what we'll do is looking at the closer objects for prolonged period of time. It may be mobile or any of the other gadgets. If you look at the closer objects for longer period of time, one thing what we'll do is we'll start avoid blinking. I mean, we'll reduce the blinking. Once you start reducing the blinking, there's two main functions will be happening while blinking. One is once you blink, that will cleanses the eyes, and second thing is that blinking will moisturize the eyes, and that will also secretes the necessary proteins and nutrients to our eyes. So these two functions will be obstructed once you look at the closer objects for longer period of time. So here what I can tell is try to minimize the usage of the digital screens, and it's very much necessary at this period of time. And let's put barrier to ourselves, like not using digital screens after 10 p.m. or in the night, not using the digital screens. Just minimize. If you are using your digital screens for 5 to 6 hours, minimize it to 4 hours, eventually minimize it to 3 hours. Like this, try to minimize the usage of digital screens. That will be very much helpful, and it's very good for our health of our eyes. Hope this video is informative and you enjoyed this video. For regular updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel Yoga Manta. Thank you.